Although there are also issues. A Yoruba president will be more criticized by the Yoruba man. But you have a tendency that a northern president will have a quieter reign when he's in office because his fellow northerners will, but that you will see a lot of the Igbo man will be attacked, pulled down by his fellow Igbo people. That oneness politically is not there. And that is the reason why today we have not been able to have a unison, singing from the same hymn book, from the Igbo people to have a common front. Do you see that problem? Is that narrative, is it right politically? Is it what is going on? Do you think those who have portrayed that narrative, is it really what is happening? Do you see that playing out?
No, I see it completely differently. I don't see Igbos as disunited at all. I think it's about our heritages, our political heritages. The Igbo political heritage is a Republican one. We've never been a monarchical system. We've always been a Republican system where people compete and contest. Till today, in my Umunna meeting in the village, it doesn't matter how much older you are than me. If you say something that is, I can get up in the meeting and say, Dede, you're not right. That's our culture. And that's our culture. And it has its strengths. Everything has its strengths and its weaknesses. It's also why Igbo society is so vibrant, it's so entrepreneurial, it's so resilient. It's why we survived the war, rebounded from the war, because we are like that.
Why you are found in Taiwan, in China, in India, in
so you can't
you jump on the plane to China. 90% of the people you find there are Igbo people.